Hello coders, I hope you are coding well. In the previous video, we created Get Workouts API in our Spring Boot application. And in today's video, we will call this Get Workouts API from our Angular application. And after this, we will write the code to show the workouts data on the workout page. So let's get started. So in our Angular application, first of all, we need to create a method in our user service. And to do this, we will open user.service.ts class. And in this file, we will copy this getActivities method and we will paste this here. And after this, we need to update the method name and we will replace this getActivities with getWorkouts. And then we need to update the URL of the API. And to do this, after API, we will replace this activities with workouts, and with this our get workouts method is completed in user service. Now let's save this file, and after this, to call this method, we will open workout.component.ts, and in this file we will create a new method and we will name this as get workouts, and in the body of this method we will use user service, and after this we will call get workouts method, and then we will subscribe the response and we will name this as res, and we will write an arrow function. And after this, to store the response, we need to create a variable, and we will name this variable as workouts, and the type of this will be any. And after this, let's go back to get workouts method, and in the body of this function we will call our workouts variable, and after this we will set the response in it. And with this, our get workouts method is completed in workout.component.ts. And now we need to write the code to call this method on the load event of the page. And to do this, we will go to ng-on-init and we will call this getWorkouts method. And after this, we need to update the workouts data after creating a new workout. And to do this, in the success case of post workout, we will call this method as well. And with this, our code in workout.component.ts is completed. Now let's save this file. And after this, we need to write the code to show the workouts data. And to do this, we will open workout.component.html, and in our HTML file, in this row we need to create another column, and to do this we will use div tag, and for the ngFlex we will give it as 3. And after this we need to create a card, and to do this we will use ngCard tag, and for the ngType we will give it as inner, and after this we will give ngTitle as past workouts. And in this ng card we will create another div, and after this we will apply ng for loop on this, and after the let keyword we will name the single workout as workout, and after the off keyword we will mention the variable workouts. And after this, in this div we will create another div, and in this div for the workouts data, first of all we need to show the calories burned, and for the text we will write calories burned. And after this, to show the value, we will use strong tag and we will call workout.calories burned. And after this, to separate the data, we will use a dash. And after the calories burned, we need to show the duration of the workout. And to do this, we will call workout.duration. And after the duration, we need to show the workout date. And to do this, we will call workout.date. And after this, to format this date, we will use date pipe. And after the date we need to show the type of the workout, and to do this we will call workout.type. And with this, our HTML code is completed to show the workout data. Now let's save this file and let's run our application. And as you can see, our application is up without any errors. Now let's go to the browser and let's validate the functionality of our past workouts API. And in the browser we will click on this workout menu, and as you can see we got redirected to our workout page, and on this page we got a new card with the title of past workouts. And in this card, after the API call, we are showing the records of the past workouts, and for each workout we are showing calories burned, duration, date and type. And now let's test the functionality of our auto update past workouts data. And to do this, we need to create a new workout, and for the calories burned I will give it as 50, and after this for the duration I will give it as 10, and after this we will select the workout date, and at the end we need to select the type of the workout and we will give it as cycling. And after this we will click on this post workout button, and as you can see we got the message workout posted successfully and the past workouts data got updated automatically with the new workout. And that's it for today's video. In the next video we will create goal entity in our Spring Boot application.